video, I'm going to share a little bit about why the tongue drum is an excellent instrument for beginners or for people who don't have any formal musical training. I cover a lot of this in my free 5-day tongue drum mini course, which is linked below in the description. If you're new here or just starting out, this might be a great place to start. But for now, we're going to get into why the tongue drum is actually so beginner friendly. The first reason why the tongue drum is great for beginners is because a lot of them are actually tuned to a pentatonic scale, which means all of the notes are really harmonious and they sound great when played together. Here's an example of a tongue drum that is in a pentatonic scale in B minor. About this, if you're a beginner and don't have a ton of music theory, you can play a tongue drum right away and not worry about hitting a bad note. We all know how important playing music is and how many benefits there are to playing music. So if you sit down to a tongue drum, you can make music and beautiful sounds right away, especially if it's in a pentatonic scale. Once you've played around with the notes, you can actually start easily finding notes that pair really well together and making chords, like this. The tongue drum also allows you to explore your creativity through playing. This can either be by choosing different types of mallets to get completely different sounds, or even get creative with playing with your fingers instead of mallets. The tongue drum is also very forgiving and approachable, so beginners can usually start playing different rhythm patterns and melodies very quickly. One of the things I probably love the most about the tongue drum is how approachable it is to all ages, so from kids all the way up to adults. They have smaller tongue drums now that are great for kids or people that just want to start off with something a little smaller and more compact. And I've seen these being used in all kinds of classes across the board. The coolest thing for me has actually been being able to play the tongue drum with my son Alan. Even when he was a tiny baby, I started introducing the sounds of the tongue drums and making different songs and melodies together, and it's been great to introduce him to these beautiful sounds and rhythm at such an early age. And the tongue drum is soft enough and quiet enough and soothing enough that it's great for infants as well if you're trying to incorporate music or sound to young babies. So if you're interested in playing the tongue drum and want to get into a more practiced structure of playing, I actually have a live tongue drum master course that is 7 weeks long, and it's available now for people to join in and learn alongside other tongue drum players across the world. The link is in the description below for more information. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and leave comments if you have questions, and we'll see you soon.